done a fitness vacation?
I have thought about this for years. I've looked them up.
Yeah.
I've gone on vacation and I've been working out while on vacation, but I've never actually done a fitness vacation or
I
a
did
wellness
it one
vacation.
time.
Did you?
When I was single, I went solo, my only solo vacation to Arizona. Just hike every day. It was just absolutely gorgeous.
Wonderful.
I loved it. And the thing is, a lot of people don't realize how many different ways there are to combine travel and wellness. Here to tell us some ideas is Rachel Covello of OutCoast.com. Welcome back, Rachel.
Hi, thanks.
Happy New Year.
So good to be here again. Happy New Year to both of you.
We need this more now than ever. Not only for our physical health, but for our mental health too, right?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, I think right now everybody's making their New Year's resolutions list. I know I have my typical, you know, lose some weight this year kind of list. I've been up and down my whole life, but I think the one thing we often neglect when it comes to wellness is mental health.
That's right.
And getting away and really kind of taking a break. I mean, not only have we had 2 years of chaos, but we also just got through the holidays, and if we really want to focus, we have to be mentally ready too.
So let's talk about places that we can go to focus on our wellness, our whole body and mind wellness. Wellness retreats are a popular thing right now. Where are some places we can do some of those?
So, you know, there are wellness retreats all over. You could go on Google and find lots of different retreat examples. Yoga retreats are really popular. Yoga retreats have different kinds. So yoga retreats might actually be implemented in with a weight loss retreat. You also have Ayurveda. I don't know if you've heard of Ayurveda before, but it's an Indian, more of an Indian type of yoga experience, and it's really all about whole body, mind, spirit. I went to the Ayurveda wellness retreat up in Achula. I always mispronounce it. It's outside of Gainesville.
Oh, okay.
And it was amazing. We had daily massages. We did yoga daily. We ate vegan meals for, you know, the 5 days I was there, and it was such a cleansing experience. But you can go to regular yoga retreats if you just want yoga. But Florida has several places, and then of course anywhere in Sedona is a great place. Costa Rica, you know, any of those kinds of places are perfect to get away, depending on how comfortable you are traveling domestically and overseas.
Right, but this is right up my alley. Oh my gosh.
Are you a yoga? I don't do yoga. Oh, you do yoga.
Yeah.
Do you have to be like a yoga person?
No, so I started yoga last year, and I'm obviously not a stick figure by any means. So, you know, yoga is really for everyone. I actually took a yoga class recently right here in St. Pete area, and everybody of every size, background, age was in that class. There was a gentleman that was probably, you know, 100 pounds heavier than me that was doing it, and he was able to do it. So
there's no judgment in yoga.
Okay. No judgment in yoga. It's a judgment-free zone.
Let's talk about getaways for adventure seekers.
Yeah, so adventure seekers are great. You know, this is the time where we're still looking, well, many of us are still looking for those solo locations, those isolated type of travel experiences, and this is really, you know, going camping, getting an RV. RV sales were crazy last year, the last 2 years. So getting an RV, going camping, spending time either by yourself. Don't be afraid to solo travel. I think that's important too, to kind of rest your mind, but also partnering with your spouse or your loved one, or maybe signing up for like a marathon if you're a runner. You know, go marathoning, go skiing. There's so many places. Aspen, of course, is a great place to ski. Obviously, we don't have that here in Florida too much. If you find snow in Florida, I want to know. And then long biking, you know, in one of my favorite places actually right here in the Tampa Bay area is like the Pinellas Trail. My wife and I have talked about taking a bike up the Pinellas Trail, going up to like Dunedin area and just
a staycation.
Staying over midway, staying in Dunedin and then biking back. You know, and then there's also places like Mount Dora that are really good for biking. They have really fun terrains and bike trails like right in like wooded areas, and you actually have hills there, which is amazing in Florida.
It is amazing. I know, hills in Florida.
Right.
All right, lastly, Rachel, let's talk about places where we can learn how to prepare healthier food. I think now that the New Year's underway, a lot of us want to start cooking healthier. Where can we go learn to do this?
Well, there's lots of different ways. I mean, obviously, like places like, you know, obviously the Airbnbs, you can book activities and find local people doing cooking demos right in their homes, which is always kind of cool, and it's more intimate, so it's not like you're signing up for a very large class or anything. There's also a great way to do some cooking stuff is like a catch and cook class or a catch and cook program, if you've never thought of that. My wife is a fishmonger, so we're always thinking about seafood. So we, you know, going over to like Stewart, Florida, or even down to the Keys is a great place if you're staying in Florida. But all the way up the East Coast, anywhere where there's water, there's typically cook and catch classes that you can find. And it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool to like catch your food. You know it's healthy, fish is fresh and so good for you, and then you can cook it right there with an instructor. Or some restaurants actually will cook it for you.
What you catch.
So you can take it right there, and you know you're eating something healthy. because it's hard to travel and eat healthy.
Tell me
You're
about
right
it.
about that. But wouldn't it be great to come back from a vacation and actually be rested?
I know, and maybe even a little thinner.
And
Right?
that.
We all
a new skill.
We all need vacations from vacations.
You're
typically,
right.
Yes.
so.
You're right.
Thank you, Rachel.
Absolutely.
And for more information, check out OutCoast.com.
Daytime, we'll be right back.